Hey, welcome back to the Inspire CNC YouTube channel. So in the last episode, you saw us assemble the Batmobile, in which we sort of just mocked it up together. But in this episode, we're going to be building a frame for the Batmobile plug, and we're doing that so that we can be able to just move it around and make space inside the shop. If we build a frame for it and we can move it outside into the parking lot, which is over here somewhere. I don't know if I want to put it in the front parking lot spaces or in the back, but that's where we're going to put it, and we're going to build a frame. It's going to have some casters on it, and we can just roll it around, and it'll sit in the parking lot while we figure out what we want to do with it. I'm thinking maybe I can put some more money into it and produce the fiberglass bodies, have a fiberglass shop produce the bodies for me, and I can sell them, or I can just sell the plug to somebody and they can do whatever they want with it. But this is part 2, and we're going to be building a wood frame for it, and we're going to roll it outside. We're going to get some good shots of it using the drone, and it should be a fun time. Let's get going. God damn. Another day at the office. Look the hell. Oh, look who it is. Hunter, what's up? All right. Yo, come here. So this is what we're gonna build. Huh?
I thought you meant the wooden platform.
Because the wood's gonna be sticking out from the bottom. Right? Because the platform comes on first.
Put wheels on the bottom of that?
Yeah, we got casters for the bottom of it. So I'm gonna get the dimensions off this and we can start cutting.
My Crocs? Love my Crocs. No, they're camo, but they faded.
Oh,
Yeah.
those are my Crocs.
Yeah.
Alright, frame is done. I gotta get some of the parts on top and mounted and glued. It only took us about 2 hours. 1 hour for the first version. It's nice and sturdy. Is this nice and sturdy? It don't look like it, but it's gonna work. You know what we need is just 2 more casters right there. Good. Oh well, it's not like it has to be roadworthy. You're gonna be sitting in a parking spot, you know? That's a lot better. You see the height of it? It's a lot lower now. Look at that. Who designed that? Oh yeah. All right, that's the start. Let's get the front piece on top too to see if it matches the back piece. I told you. I told you, man. Absolutely. You got it in the wrong spot though. You gotta move it forward. Yep. Oh yeah, that's the spot right there. Yep. That's exactly where it should be. Let's go ahead and glue this down, and we can glue this down, and everything else goes around it. You know what I mean? So the top half, yep, where the wood is as well, at the bottom too. Right there. Keep going. Very good. last look. This is the Batmobile. A few people have stopped, looked at it. Alright, and that's it for the Batmobile project. I'm gonna go home and edit this video. I'm gonna have some more projects for you guys coming in the future. But right now, that's it, and I'm gonna get going. Peace out. What do you think you're doing?